I see back from me, I just see back from me.
I tell you the truth, that's why I can't come running with me now. I'm a nephew. And if we did involved. And it's like, I'm more than funny. I'm going to know my brother. Well, I'm a brother big in Air Force. I'm Mr. Mullins. I interviewed the whole and I could have locked him for a minute. But in 5 minutes, I'm a nephew. I'm bringing it forward and I haven't got the farm and I try to farm him. So the more said, you that call up around here, just forward the ring for your seal and for ignore you and know say no violation can go on car. But you know straight up say, I change me, I change you. And even though I can't say I'm fully changed, in there with me, you know? So definitely that's why you know say, if you see me around here, and me not about, just keep your eye on him for it.
Well, one thing I said, no, just make him go and stay alone because I'm not him alone, one day suddenly involved in it. And certain people see me and want to use it as for the time being, just make him go and keep alone for
No, so
and I don't want me there, no, I don't want to keep him there if I can't govern him or anything.
True enough. I'm not going to make him move on the ground unless me there. But me just personally want you to see him and know say, I'm a family, you know, my brother youth and that's so I can do for him.
Just continue guiding on the right path.
Yeah, man.
So you can because, you know, you can take teaching and you can change, so you can do for you.
Yeah, man. When I youth them, I say when I youth them get locked in, like you know what do, a whole heap of time, you know. The youth will be at the end of the whole thing. And I know the reason about it. But with the end now, lucky sense of money is no me.
You can consider themselves lucky with you.
Tell you, man.
Maybe it's a good thing this is because your workload are going to get heavier at the agency. And truth, in a relationship, absence make the heart grow fonder. So you and Kareem, time apart, I think it good. It allow you now to clear your head and him clear for him head how to decide on everything, all of the plans them want. Also.
That sound good, yes, but remember Kareem holiday at the house. I know him go away for 6 months. Me think about it.
You know, say all your stress span at the 6 months, by the time you're queen, bap, 6 months gone.
That's the same thing my mother say, you know?
Talking about your mother. She alright?
She's very upbeat and excited about our travel company.
Our travel business. I want to ask you something.
So we king now.
I'm supposed to go on the road and do some things, you know.
Your ear will go up a hilltop.
I go on for the same, and that's why I'm between me and Kim over there. I never want to go this again. But I push yourself on.
Miss Jen, you know the brother named Radcliffe? Never come on here. Feel like the brother involved with one by farming.
No, but we need to work. Be careful. Don't follow King, man. King must man down all the road to do that by the yard. And when you talk to you about him, and you look like say a long thing you talk about. But ready a farm and beat up your woman,
Yeah.
and you then come from.
But no,
So be careful, watch yourself.
I'm going to tell King Manson to watch him back to him. I mean, no few style from them time then is a man who just believes, you know, him have alright and people have the best interest at heart.
Not at all time. Remember that you shoot him up the road already. Can't happen again.
Talk to him, Mr. Chen. Sit down and hold a powerful reason because I don't want to say nothing to him. And you see, based on that guy you told him, kill up at hilltop. I know say blessing that stem from me, and I don't trust that they don't. Because I'm all deep and money moves up there, you know. So I feel like I'm a circle again. You know.
Why? But if you choose somebody who can talk to him, you know, because if I talk to you, once you're active, involved in the talking, you feel like not defend Radcliffe. I'm not defend Radcliffe. You just know the type of person Radcliffe is. I'm not want to look at him. But you now listen to me, you just have one thing and thinking in it. Me, I defend Radcliffe. So somebody else have to leave with you on that.
Well, the reason why I'm still, I don't know, I'm not pray because the man tell me say right now if the brother go on anything back up a hilltop again, it's like in willing to go back in at the big house for dealing with it out there. I know say it's a man will look out for people, but at the same time you can't put your life on the line for people.
Yeah, I understand him love and him passion, you know, but him have to know where man do. Him have to use wisdom, him have to move smart, and that's what he know do.
Cheers!
Yes, Uncle Alfred. Uncle. Yes, Uncle.
Forward!
You know about this travel business, what she do?
Yeah. She all have things online. But check it out, man. It legit.
She in business with anybody? Like, she have a partner?
Not what me know of, but me and she talked the other day about investor.
And she never mentioned who the investor is, like a name. She never called no name.
No, she not call no name. But you know what concern me, Bubbles? Shepherd get a vision. And him tell Maureen say, be careful of one phone call we she go get. She did the house couple weeks ago. And she get a phone call and he look very suspicious. But remind her what Shepherd say, you know? And she start giving her attitude and a flare up. And she says Shepherd forgot to attend to him flock. And leave her alone.